In the heart of Zurich, Switzerland, a crisis is unfolding that threatens to upend the entire global financial system. The Swiss banking sector, once considered a bastion of stability and secrecy, is facing an unprecedented threat. At the center of this crisis is Credit Suisse, one of Switzerland's largest and most prestigious banks. With a history dating back over 160 years, Credit Suisse has long been a symbol of Swiss banking strength and resilience. But behind the scenes, Credit Suisse has been struggling to cope with a toxic mix of bad loans, poor management, and crippling debt. The bank's troubles have been mounting for years, but it wasn't until recently that the true extent of the crisis became clear. In a shocking move, UBS, another Swiss banking giant, has agreed to take over Credit Suisse in a deal that's been hailed as a rescue mission. But what does this mean for the future of Swiss banking, and how will it affect the global economy? The takeover is a clear indication that the Swiss banking system is facing an existential crisis. With two of its largest banks on the brink of collapse, the entire sector is at risk of imploding. The implications are far-reaching and terrifying. A collapse of the Swiss banking system could trigger a global financial meltdown, with devastating consequences for economies around the world. As the crisis deepens, investors are becoming increasingly nervous. Global stock markets are experiencing wild swings, and the value of the Swiss franc is plummeting. The contagion is spreading fast, with other banks and financial institutions beginning to feel the effects. The situation is precarious, and it's unclear how it will all play out. Swiss banking regulators are scrambling to contain the crisis, but their efforts may be too little, too late. The damage has already been done, and the consequences will be felt for years to come. The Swiss banking crisis is a wake-up call for the entire global financial system. It's a reminder that even the strongest and most resilient institutions can fail, and that the consequences can be catastrophic. As the sun sets over Zurich, the city's banking district is bathed in an eerie glow. The crisis is far from over, and the future of Swiss banking hangs in the balance. What's next for this embattled sector, and how will it affect the world? Only time will tell.